Hello beautiful people, how are you? So in this video, I'm gonna fix your SIM not supported error which you are having right now on your iPhone. So this happens because of the carrier lock. If you are trying to unlock your iPhone and you get error of invalid SIM or SIM not supported, then this is the solution for you. So if you have an iPhone which is not activating and stuck on SIM not supported screen, so you need to purchase a UMS sticker SIM card to unlock your iPhone. So this is the Dr. SIM Unlock SIM card to unlock your iPhone. It works on every iPhone. So if you have an iPhone which is locked to specific carrier and shows SIM not supported error, so this UMS sticker SIM card will fix your issue and unlock your iPhone. Let me explain. There are two types of iPhone. One is factory unlock and other one is carrier locked iPhone. Both works fine, but in carrier lock iPhone you can only use one network SIM card on it. Like you can only use T-Mobile SIM card and can't use the Verizon. So on the other hand, we have factory unlocked iPhones which works on any network SIM card. These phones are around $100 expensive. Anyways, to fix this problem, I have a solution for you in my hand. You need to purchase this UMS sticker SIM. It's a very simple concept. Just insert this sticker SIM card together with your network SIM into iPhone, so it will unlock your iPhone no matter on which carrier your iPhone is locked. It works in every country, so you will find a link in the description of this video to purchase these products. It costs around $20 US. There are a few Chinese companies also who provides this sticker SIM card, but I prefer you to purchase Dr. SIM sticker because no installation required. Simply place it on top of your existing SIM card and you are set. And if you want to unlock your iPhone permanently without UMS sticker SIM card, so there is a link in the description of this video in which I have explained that how you can unlock your iPhone without UMS sticker SIM card. So must watch that video. So now let me show you that how you can set up and install this UMS sticker card into the phone. Dr. SIM guarantees UMS will work with all iPhone 5 models, and above that use a nano-sim card and the latest version of iOS. The sticker is simply positioned below the SIM card of your current network as demonstrated in this video. When you will insert the UMS SIM in your iPhone, you have to dial a code to activate it. Just come into the emergency call and dial *5005 *7672 *88# and dial it. It may ask you for a code. So when you will purchase this UMS sticker SIM card, this code will be sent to your email address. So simply enter the code and press the send button. That's it. So it will unlock your iPhone just like that. If you are still having no service on your iPhone, so make sure to insert the SIM card properly in your iPhone or just restart your phone to fix it. So that's it guys. Go to the description of this video, click the link, purchase the sticker and enjoy your iPhone. Don't forget to share this video, give a thumbs up and subscribe my channel.